Hello and welcome back everybody to another unpacking unboxing video for Warhammer Stormbringer, this time up until issue 59. Sorry for the 1 day delay. Let's jump. And here we have the items. The Soviet VDV gaming set for their airborne forces and the utility sculpting tool set, 3 items. So let's start with that. And as you can see, it is 3 sculpting tools coming in a blister pack. Well, let's just open it right up. And whenever you have a little bit of gap filling to do that goes beyond the dab of super glue or liquid putty, you want to get some sculpting tools. Now I had some previously, I think also from Gale Force 9, but this one I got very affordably on a large retailer website. Let's get that trash out of here. And we have 3 tools / probes with different tips at each side. And this one will do perfectly for the thing I have intended to, and that one not bad either. So they have different sizes and shapes for what you want to do. Now, the key thing. The World War III Team Yankee Soviet VDV set. The VDV are the airborne troopers, and in this set you will find 20 tokens, 2 objectives and 16 of the 14mm dice. Little overview over there, and it comes in this metal tin, and you can see it is really stamped, so you have a little relief up there. Now the items themselves come in 2 little plastic bags. And as all items from the Team Yankee range, they are made in Malaysia. This one was checked by H22ANA. Whoever you are, thank you so much. Now, the dice, all 16 are present, and they come with the emblem of the Soviet Airborne Forces. Let's unpack the token set. And as it says, 2 objectives, and they are felt backed acrylic tokens with clear acrylic on top of the printed token and backed with felt. So your typical standard token, just checking. Yeah, it doesn't shift around on a neoprene mat. That's why I like this background actually. It is the same as a neoprene gaming mat. And then several tokens with the emblem again. Here we go. Oh, this one is nice. So if you have the problem that you haven't painted or modeled your leader in a unit differently from the other guys, you can put that next to them. So why VDV? Why the Soviets? Well, one of them has to play them, and my friend Mark is playing the Americans from the starter set. And I decided, well, let's expand the T-64 force from the starter set into a Soviet airborne force. And to be honest, I like that blue beret as well. As much as I hope you liked this video, and I will all see you on the next one.